Clutter can drain your wallet. There are 7 misconceptions about decluttering that can inadvertently lead to financial strain. Number one, decluttering is a simple process. Decluttering can be an emotionally charged process, especially when dealing with sentimental items. It takes time and effort to sort through belongings and make decisions, and rushing this process can lead to impulsive buying and potential regrets. Number two, throwing away everything is a solution. While discarding unnecessary items is a crucial part of decluttering, it's important to consider the value of your belongings. Sometimes items may have a resale value, while others could be donated and repurposed. Throwing things away without considering these options can be wasteful. Number three, more storage means less clutter. Adding more storage solutions may temporarily mask the clutter problem, but doesn't address the root issue. The best way to reduce clutter is to minimize the number of possessions you own. Investing in storage solutions can be costly, yes, and may not solve the underlying problem. Investing in dual purpose furniture, such as an ottoman, would be a great tool to have. Number four, decluttering is a one-time event. Decluttering is an ongoing process. As you acquire new items, it's essential to regularly assess your belongings and let go of what you no longer need. These prevent clutter from accumulating again. Number five, you must declutter everything at once, and I'm guilty of this one. Taking on a larger decluttering project can be overwhelming, but if you break it down into smaller, more manageable tasks, it's helpful. Focus on one area at a time, such as a drawer, a closet, or a room, and this approach may make the process less stressful and more sustainable. Number six, you have to get rid of everything you love, and this is so not true. Sentimental items can be challenging to part with. Instead of discarding them, consider creative ways to store them efficiently. For example, use storage boxes with labels or display them in a designated area. Number seven, decluttering is only for minimalists. Decluttering benefits everyone, regardless of their lifestyle. It can reduce stress, improve productivity, and free up space in your home. Even small decluttering efforts can make a significant impact on your well-being and your finances. By understanding these misconceptions and adopting a mindful approach to decluttering, you can create a more organized and financially sound living space. Thank you for watching.